Types of matter. Think about the example of vinegar we just used for the homogeneous mixture. We said that vinegar was a homogeneous mixture because it had particles of acetic acid mixed with water. And no matter how long we let that white vinegar sit there, the acetic acid will never settle to the bottom, and we will never be able to see the water or acetic acid compounds. A homogeneous mixture of particles so small that they cannot be seen with a microscope and will never settle to the bottom of their container is called a solution. Solutions remain constantly as a uniform mixture. A type of mixture with particles that are larger than those in solutions but are not heavy enough to settle to the bottom are called colloids. The word colloid comes from the Greek word for glue. The first colloids studied were in gelatin, which is a source of some types of glue. An example of a colloid you might drink every day is milk. Like a heterogeneous mixture, milk contains water, fats, and proteins in varying proportions. But like a solution, its components won't settle if left standing. However, one way to distinguish a colloid from a solution is by its appearance. You can tell for certain if a liquid is a colloid by passing a beam of light through it. A light beam is invisible as it passes through a solution, but can be seen readily as it passes through a colloid because the particles in a colloid are so large to scatter the light. Those in solution are not. This scattering of light by colloidal particles is called the Tyndall effect. And this mixture has mixtures of different states of matter. Milk has solid fat particles mixed with liquid particles. Fog has liquid droplet particles mixed with gas particles. So that is a very easy way to distinguish colloids. Suspensions are mixtures that are neither solutions nor colloids. Suspensions are a heterogeneous mixture containing a liquid in which the visible particles settle. A good way to determine if you have a suspension mixture is if you need to shake it in order to use it. For example, Italian dressing, chocolate milk, or even paint.